Honorable Speaker, we have had instances where we have had members of the other coalition expressing threats to the leadership within Azimio coalition. And Honorable Speaker, when the security is withdrawn amid such threats, then we have a cause to worry, Honorable Speaker. And as I was reading the Constitution the other day, Honorable Speaker, about the role that you play as the Speaker, that in the absence of the two leaders above, then the National Assembly Speaker takes over. So this is a matter, the Honorable Speaker, that I want to invite you to delve into it so that we can all be safe. We may have differences in opinion, but that does not warrant withdrawal of security of any person within the Republic of Kenya. Finally, Honorable Speaker, the security provided to the leadership, especially for those who have been Prime Minister, President, and the Deputy President, is enshrined in our laws, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, let us go by the dictates of our laws and not whimsically make decisions that do not square with the same Constitution that we subscribe to, Honorable Speaker. And I thank you very much for the opportunity.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.